Did you know that a typewriter once killed its own owner by forcing him to write his death? In 1963, estate sale records from Stephen King's childhood neighborhood in Maine listed one antique Remington typewriter. Horror writer Thomas Whitmore bought it, excited about the vintage machine. But soon the typewriter began writing stories on its own, perfectly crafted horror tales that knew each reader's deepest fears. When people read them, the stories became real. An arachnophobe was devoured by massive spiders after reading his personalized nightmare. A claustrophobe died trapped in a shrinking room, exactly as written. Another victim watched his own flesh rot away, living his fear of death. Whitmore realized the machine was feeding on terror, but it was too late. The typewriter began writing his story, keys moving by themselves. His fingers fused to the keys as he typed his own gruesome death, unable to stop. Foundation agents found him days later, still typing. The machine continues writing new horrors, sealed away where no one can read them.